To go ahead and make the hurricane, we're going to go ahead and build everything in our cheater tin. And we're going to do 2 ounces rum. Ooh, every last drop. 2 ounces of a darker rum. So this has the orange juice, it has the simple syrup, and all the other stuff that we need. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour out 2 1/4 ounces. And the final ingredient is going to be about 1 ounce of lime juice here. Then to garnish it, we're just going to go ahead and put an orange wheel right on the side and a cherry. There we have it, Pat O'Brien's Hurricane.